Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Daniel are in Dublin. I'm enjoying super beautiful weather in Ireland. It's 10 degrees but the blue sky, and when the blue sky is here everything looks absolutely stunning. I'm in a Wicklow and I'm just doing the golf course coast walk, and how you can see the entrance, it's really magical, really nice one, and the first true beautiful small hiding beach on my right hand side. Absolutely stunning. What a beautiful landscape. Actually, I know this area, but from the Black Castle side, from the Wicklow port, what I show you good few times, but here it's absolutely lovely, like from postcard. The cliff walk is absolutely stunning, but the most funny things for me is from all the shoes for the climbing and for trekking what I show you on my channel already, I choose the most comfortable and the most worst choice for the cliff walk. They are super soft, but actually they completely don't keep my feet in one place, and it's quite difficult to walk. It's very slippery as well, but I want to survive until the end of this cliff walk because it's just breathtaking. I try to check in now, but they show me Australia all the time. I wish to be in Australia right now and have like 35 degrees. But yeah, I try to track this, but Google Map and show you actually where I am, because place is super stunning. Just, I don't know, we're losing connection all the time, but you can see in the small window on the right hand side now where I am, and definitely it's not Australia, but it's breathtaking. On the very end of the cliff walk in Wicklow, we have a beautiful lighthouse. I think we're going on that way slowly, but I think the biggest attraction definitely it's a seal beach. You can see lots of seals on the beach, lots of seals in the water. Actually, I can see from here like 15 around. So nice, so unexpected. I knew that would be seal beach, but you know, sometimes the place have a name, but actually it's nothing with this what you can expect. The most funny always for me is like Newcastle or Old Castle or Rock Bridge, but the places have no castles or no bridges. Why I didn't expect nothing, but I'm now super exciting. They just sitting and watching us, so cute. Oh, lovely view. That was so nice, I really love it. And now we continue our journey on the Wicklow cliffs, and probably we are on the way to the lighthouse. I can't wait to see the lighthouse because I saw it many times just from the far, from the street, from the car, but I never knew where the access is. It's lots of private property around, and maybe this time we can go and we can see and we can make lots of photos. Guys, if you like to see more from my journey, from my trips, you are more than welcome on my Instagram, Daniel R in Dublin, where you can see lots of photos and videos. I think I reached 15,000 photos already on my Instagram. Lots to watch. I'm on the Wicklow Head now, And this beautiful tower, what you see where I'm walking around actually now, is the place where you can rent Airbnb or bed and breakfast. I'm not sure about the breakfast, but it's beautiful, it's modern interior design, and you can have a super spectacular view. It's a part of the project, the bed and breakfast in historical building. Beautiful area. If you are in a Wicklow and you want to have a nice holiday here, maybe it's a good idea to rent a day or 2 days in the tower like that. It's like from the fairy tale, or from like really a nice story from the pirate ships and some secret island. I show you already 2 lighthouses, and now it's third one. Amazing in some small place. 3 lighthouses, just this one it's working. I'm on my way there. It's very difficult to go there because I choose this kind of dangerous access, go through the cliff. You can have a nice easy walk path as well, but you know, I just want to go wild, and now I just flying with my super shoes, but definitely it's worth to go and worth to see because place is breathtaking. That's beautiful lighthouse on the Wicklow Head. Slowly I will be back home. It's getting darker and darker. I just will show you just few shots before car park. Absolutely stunning cliff walk in Wicklow. I'm very surprised because I did good few cliff walk in Ireland. This one is, I think, one of the most beautiful, and these 3 lighthouses on the very end. Wow. Magical and crazy place, guys. Ireland is so beautiful, and after these old trips where my journey around Ireland is quite big and I really was almost everywhere and I saw a lot, every time I'm surprised more and more how beautiful and incredible this place is. You see the Wicklow Head, so stunning, full of colors. Now with the sunset, it's just absolutely breathtaking. I love it. Now I can see some cars stop here. I didn't know you can drive here, because when I drive I saw it's private access and it's private property and you cannot park here, but actually you can see lots of people parking. That means next time I know how to go and where to stop, and I will definitely visit this place with different weather, maybe with a heavy rain and super dark sky, because that will be another ultra experience. Thank you very much for being with me on Wicklow Cliff Walk, and see you shortly in another vlog.